Welcome everybody to the Amazon FBA. In this particular section, we'll be talking about how to deal with returns. Returns on Amazon are pretty common. The reason for that, they have a 30-day money back kind of guarantee on Amazon. A lot of people who buy something on Amazon, they want to be totally satisfied with the product. So if there's something or even the smallest defect in it, they will send it back. And it's going to happen to you a lot if the product is not up to their standard, whoever is buying it. To prevent that from happening, make sure whatever you're selling is a quality product. Then you won't have that many returns to begin with. Also, keep in mind during the holiday season, although you're going to get tons of huge amount of sales, you're also going to get tons and huge amount of returns right after the holiday season is really over. That's one of the pitfalls of Amazon, is the 30-day money back return policy that they have, especially during the holiday season, where you will have a huge amount of sales. At the same time, you have probably 20% of your products returned back to you. And out of all those products, some of them are going to be kind of damaged too. So expect some of them to be damaged, some of them will be open, and other stuff you won't even be able to resell again because somebody opened it up, took a few of those products, and then didn't return everything that they should have, and there's nothing you can really do about it. This is what you have to deal with when you're dealing with Amazon.com. So I just wanted you to know this in advance. So the best thing you can do is just keep selling quality merchandise so you minimize the amount of returns you are going to get. And just keep in mind that during the holiday season, the returns are going to be much higher volume than normal. Now, also keep this in mind that after 1 year of your item being stored on Amazon, you have two choices. One is for them to ship it back to you, and that's going to cost you your own cash because everything that they ship back to you is going to subtract from your budget. And also the other choice would be, instead of them shipping it to you, for them to dispose of the merchandise. So if the merchandise doesn't even it's not even worth it for you to pay for it to be shipped back to you, you might tell them, go ahead, dispose of it. And what dispose of it really means, that they're going to take all this merchandise that they gave you, and what they're going to do is take it and sell it whatever they want. So they're just going to clear it out on a huge clearance. The big issue with them going and selling it at a huge clearance is that by them disposing of this merchandise, you're not going to get anything out of it. So they're going to get 100% of the profit. So the only way that you can make sure this doesn't happen to you and you get 100% of the profit is do not keep anything on Amazon FBA for longer than a year. If it's getting very close to the year end, I would just mark it down on a huge sale so that things can actually go out and you no longer have those merchandise on Amazon FBA anymore. That's actually much cheaper for you to put it on a huge sale than to have them ship it all back to you, and now you have to pay the return shipping. So always keep that in mind, that those are all the options you have, and you always have to make the best out of your options so you can make the most money on Amazon FBA.